Question number 11 on page 206. Prepare common size statement of profit and loss from the following profit and loss statement of 2 years. Very first of all, the whole question is to be noted down as it is. Okay, just only thing you have to be careful is 31, 3, 16 and 17. So in the question 48 lakhs will come in fourth column and 40 lakhs will come in third column. Is everyone clear with it? Now how to make this common size statement and how to find this percentage to sales, understand it? As we have written over here, I am explaining the actual concept and the shortcut method of doing it. So just be attentive. 3 upon sales into 100 in this entire column number 5. 3 means this column. All the figures of column 3 we are going to divide by sales of column 3, which is 40 lakhs, and multiply with 100. Means 40 lakhs upon 40 lakhs into 100. 2,40,000 upon 40 lakhs into 100. 42,40,000 upon 40 lakhs into 100. 20,80,000 divided by 40 lakhs into 100, and so on up till 2,80,000 divided by 40 lakhs into 100. Any confusions with this? Raise your hand. Same way in column 6, we are going to do column 4 figures. Divide by sales of column 4, 48 lakhs into 100. So 48 lakhs upon 48 lakhs into 100. 4,80,000 upon 48 lakhs into 100. 52,80,000 divided by 48 lakhs into 100, and so on up till 6,04,800 divided by 48 lakhs into 100. Now in calculators, okay, do it 40 lakhs divide 2 times. Divide, press 2 times. Again 40 lakhs. Percentage 100, do you get it? Don't press on. Don't press on. Now directly press 2,40,000 and percentage. Directly press 42,40,000 and percentage. Directly press 20,80,000 and percentage. Directly press 1,60,000 and percentage. Directly press 1,20,000 and percentage. Directly press 6 lakhs and percentage. Directly press 4,80,000 and percentage. Directly press 4 lakhs and percentage. Directly press 38,40,000 and percentage. 96 silence. Directly press 4 lakhs and percentage. 1,20,000 and percentage. 2,80,000 and percentage. Did you understand this shortcut method or not, everyone? So hardly a job of 1 minute to obtain the percentage. Got everyone? Same shortcut method trick we will use in 31,317 also. To it 48 lakhs, divide 2 times, press it. Again 48 lakhs and percentage 100. Now 4,80,000 and percentage directly 10. 52,80,000 and percentage 110. 26,40,000 and percentage 55. 2,40,000 and percentage 5. Minus 2,40,000 means minus 5. You don't press minus 2,40,000 and percentage. You simply press 2,40,000 and percentage in, because it's negative. Put it in bracket. 7,20,000 and percentage 15. 4,80,000 and percentage 10. 5,76,000 and percentage 12. 44,16,000 and percentage 92. 8,64,000 and percentage 18. 2,59,200 and percentage 5.4. And 6,04,800 and percentage 12.6. Did everyone understand this shortcut trick or not? Any confusions in this? Once again, 40 lakhs, then divide 40 lakhs percentage. Don't press on. Directly 2,40,000 percentage, 42,40,000 percentage, and so on. 48 lakhs divide 48 lakhs, percentage, then directly 4,80,000 percentage, 52,80,000 percentage, and so on. So, is every one of you clear with this common size statement of profit and loss? Any confusions in that?
No.
Now, obtaining the missing figures. Next question. Question number 12. Okay. First, again, whole question you'll write it as it is. Question number 12. Wherever question mark is given, don't write question mark, leave it blank. And one more thing. In the question, which is the first column, 31.3? And second? You will make 31.3, 16, then 31.3, 17. If you see comparative statements, balancing figure questions, comparative statements, balancing figure, they are given in order only. Like see, left side question 10. On the left side, see question 10. There is also balancing figures question we did yesterday. But it's already in the order, 31.3, 16, 31.3, 17. Means in exam they can give any order. Do check it carefully in the question, which is the first column and second column. But in our solution, the columns are always going to remain this order only. Understood that? In the question, you need to check it in exams. Which columns are given. Okay. Like here you can see reverse columns are given. But if you see on page 14, where balancing figures are given, again they are given in proper order only. In page 14, if you see, they are given 31.3, 16, 31.3, 17 only. But in question number 12, they are given 31.3, 17 and 31.3, 16. Got it down, everyone? So again, in question number 12, first note down the whole format as it is, everyone. Darsh, you can stop the camera because writing the format.